In order to discuss remaining requirements of of a sub-editor and reporter, we are adding second part of topic reporter and sub-reporter. So, what are the requirements of a reporter and sub-editor? We are talking here. This is another skepticism. First is another this is equality which a reporter and a sub editor should cultivate. They should not take anything for granted. They should adopt an unwavering posture of doubt until faced with undeniable proof. Reporters should be more vigilant since many forces constantly try to use them and through them their news outlet. Many people try to plant a wrong story for their own ends. Many times, reporters, in their innocence, fall into such traps. They should have enough skepticism to avoid such frauds. Sub-editors should also be careful since clever politicians, public relations persons, and product advertisers keep on trying to take them for a ride. They should not allow anything to go into the news columns that should actually appear as advertisement. They should not fail to check every reporter's copy for such foul play. Then, punctuality is required for a reporter. Punctuality is a good habit. For reporters, it is a must. For if they are not punctual, they may miss something important and then they may have to depend on secondary sources. It is always better to be punctual and then wait than reach late and ask others. Arrival may misinform you or hide some important information. At the news desk, 2. Punctuality pays. If a sub-editor is punctual, he or she will be treated with respect by their co-workers. If he or she is late, the others will be irritated with them and this will spoil the working atmosphere. Besides, they may have to face the problem of backlog of copy, which will have to be cleared under the pressure of deadlines. Then, patience. Patience is a quality which helps a reporter in a big way. For often, almost daily, the patience is tested. Voluntary self-control or restraint helps one to endure the waiting, provocation, injustice, suffering, or any other of the unpleasant vicissitudes of the job. Most of the time, a reporter waits for someone or something, and patience gives him or her the willingness to wait without becoming disturbed, disgruntled, or anxious. Often they have to tolerate other people's shortcomings and have to remain unperturbed by someone else's slowness or other limitations. Patience also helps sub-editors as they work long hours in trying conditions. They have to put up with many annoying situations, even so every day vis-a-vis reporters or co-workers. Then, imagination is required for reporting of a news. This basic mental faculty helps reporters in writing better stories which catch the reader's interest. For a sub-editor, this creative faculty is very useful as he or she can add sparkle to the reporter's copy and make it lively. Besides, imaginative headlines attract the reader and improve the quality of the newspaper. Farsightedness and intelligent envisioning of the future helps newspersons in general. This quality helps them in identifying process and people who will be important in the future. Reporters can monitor such processes and cultivate people who may become important news sources in the future. Farsightedness helps reporters and sub-editors in determining the importance of an event. A reporter with foresight can think ahead and prepare for possible eventuality with a little forethought. Sub-editors can plan their work so as to avoid tension, which results in better functioning of the news desk. Then self-discipline. One can achieve a degree of proficiency in sub-editing or reporting by systematic effort and self-control. In this sense, self-discipline suggests dedication and firm commitment. It helps in journalism as it does in any other field. Integrity. Integrity is a virtue in itself and implies unwavering honesty and strict adherence to a code of ethics. This quality is extremely important for journalists. It is relatively more important for reporters, for they are more exposed to temptations as compared to sub editors. Then, fearlessness and frankness. A reporter should be fearless and frank in telling his stories or reports. These qualities help reporters in asking disagreeable questions and taking risks to find out the truth. Nobody gives a story on a platter. The reporter will have to probe, question, authenticate, and exercise their power of deduction to get a good story. Tactfulness. Reporters should be tactful. They should have the ability to handle sensitive people and delicate situations diplomatically without causing hurt or angry feelings. They should be considerate to others and should be careful not to embarrass, upset, or offend them. Reporters should have a flexible and sociable personality and should have a nature that enjoys different kinds of experiences. They should have an understanding of human behavior and emotions. This will help them in developing contexts which are essential for news gathering. Then, initiative. Reporters who work in the field should have an outgoing nature with initiative and drive. These qualities will help them to get acquainted with news sources and get stories from them. Meek, retiring, a shy person is not fit for reporting. This kind of a person may be good at the desk. Reporters need a fair amount of assertiveness and aggressiveness to be successful in their career. Reporters should be mobile. Mobility is required for the job. They should enjoy moving around and should not hesitate traveling long distances when required to get stories. They should go to the news sources as often as possible. For such constant contact help in getting news. Mobile reporter is seldom caught napping when a major story breaks. A reporter should be diligent. Reporters and sub-editors should be diligent. Their jobs require painstaking exertions of intense care and effort, alertness and dedication to the task and very watchfulness. They have to make extremely fine distinctions. So while writing or editing copy, a sub-editor should insist on perfection, for this can make or mar the newspaper. All these qualities are basically qualities of good and efficient human beings. Good and efficient human beings make good and efficient sub-editors and reporters. All other things being equal, reporters need additional qualities to deal effectively with the different kinds of people they meet in the field. Sub-editors should have better command over language as they have to improve what the reporters write. So we have collected all the qualities or requirements for a reporter and sub-editor. Further, we will discuss something more on the topic.